Here, we are going to show you how to increase the battery capacity of the Lithium 3600. It powers a 700 watt heat gun for about 3 hours. First, we stack the power pod on top of the Lithium 3600. Next, open the lid to access the expansion cable and connect it to the expansion port of the Lithium 3600. Then confirm that the daisy chain icon is lit. This lets you know that the connection is active. Once everything is connected, you can see on the LED screen that the runtime has increased from 3 to 7 hours. You've effectively doubled the runtime.